Signs from the universe that what you want is coming your way. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. And that's what this channel is all about, your dreams and your goals. We're here every single day giving you information that oftentimes you won't find anywhere else. So today we're talking about signs from the universe. And I'm going to share 3 important signs from the universe that what you truly desire, what your intention is coming your way. Now, okay, so you've written out an intention. You have a goal. Perhaps you've written it down, okay? And what else have you done? You've done affirmations. You've taken actions. You've created a vision board. You've done meditation. You have engaged in every tool that's designed to change your consciousness and bring about the manifestation that you desire and that you are looking forward to. But, nothing seems to be happening. I mean, nothing seems to be happening. You've done everything. You've meditated. You've jumped up and down on one foot. I mean, you've spoken in tongues, and nothing seems to be happening. I have good news for you. That's your first sign. That's number 1. Nothing seems to be happening. Sign number 1 is from the universe. And the universe speaks oftentimes in numbers, in small little signs, in little things that happen that kind of show you that something is taking place. But oftentimes the universe is completely quiet. I remember several years ago, well, this is a long time ago, but I was looking to acquire a job in the Seattle market in radio. And I applied to over 30 stations. 30 stations. And they all loved me. I mean, they really did. And I got a call. And the call was, "Hey, Robert, we want you to come in Thursday morning because we're going to make you an offer you can't refuse." Oh, I was excited. I was jumping up and down. I mean, I was ecstatic. That morning, I got a phone call. "Hey, Robert, we've decided to go with someone else." And I was wondering, are my affirmations doing me any good? Is my visualization doing any good? Are my incantations? I was doubting myself. And then I said, I need to let it flow. I need to trust the universe. I'm not seeing any signs right now that anything's happening. Nothing is happening. That must mean something is happening. So I took a job at a little radio station south of Seattle. I knew the radio station was going belly up. I mean, the rumors were everywhere. And I took the job anyway, knowing I wasn't ever going to get paid. And I worked there for almost 3 weeks without a paycheck. Showed up to work every day, had my suit and tie on, had my briefcase in my hand. I had it all. Sat at my desk, worked hard as if I was getting a huge salary. And when payday came, nobody got paid. But I continued to work there. And then the phone rang. "Hey, Robert, we'd like you to come up and work with our network. We have 450 radio stations around the country." What a wonderful job, an incredible offer. But everything went silent. beforehand. And I had to get within myself. Yeah, I was doing my affirmations and incantations and vision boards and everything else. But for a moment, I had to go within myself. For 3 weeks, I had to trust that everything was coming together, that the universe was taking all of this information. And sometimes it takes time. Somebody else has to get a raise and a new job somewhere else to create an opening for someone else. So that's how it happened. And that has happened to me on my journey over and over and over again. When you are sitting there and you are just waiting for a sign to take place, and no sign shows up, nothing takes place, everything is quiet, that's the sign that something is about to happen. Carl Sagan said the absence of evidence is not the evidence of absence. Carl Sagan was an incredible astronomer. Let me repeat that. The absence of evidence is not the evidence of absence. When you don't see evidence, when there isn't any physical evidence for you to see, that doesn't mean it's not there. That simply means you don't see it. Think about this short example. Let's say you're sitting at your kitchen table and you're looking at your bills and you're going, well, I just need $100. So you do an intention for $100. I have manifested $100. And then you look around, nothing's going on, nobody's knocking at the door, money isn't coming in through the window. So you say, I'm going to go to the store. You go walking to the store, and there on the ground is a $100 bill. Now, you didn't know that that $100 bill was there. You had no idea. It might have been there for an hour. It might have been there for 2 hours. There's no way of knowing. But you were the right person to come by at the right time and pick up that $100 bill. Listen to me. If you're doing your inner work, then you are the right person at the right time to receive the intentions that you have put out into the universe. And so that's sign number 1. Nothing seems to be happening. Number 2, on signs from the universe that what you want is coming your way. It's a very simple sign, and it's an internal sign. You feel an awakening taking place. And I've seen this with clients all over the world for years and years and years. All of a sudden, they feel this awakening. Something is shifting inside. I mean, they just feel differently. Happiness. They don't know why they're so happy. They're getting up every day. They feel happy, excited. And when you feel happy and excited, when you feel that everything is flowing, maybe what you truly want or desire hasn't manifested yet, but you just feel everything is flowing and moving, and you can't stop smiling. You just love to smile because you feel good, you feel happy, you feel elated. And, well, for me, there's this feeling of love. I just, I don't know how to describe it. I want to listen to music. I want to look at beautiful things. I feel love all around me. I want to share love with everyone I meet and talk to. And it's just that wonderful feeling of love and feeling good that it's almost overwhelming. And it goes on. It doesn't come for a day or two. You know how sometimes you can do a meditation or an exercise, or you can go to a motivational speaker, and all of a sudden you feel really pumped up for a day or two. But then it kind of drains away. this just seems to stay. You feel good. You are going through an awakening. You have a connection to Source that you didn't have before. It isn't necessarily an intentional connection to Source, but it's a deeper connection, and you feel it. Well, that's a huge sign that the universe is bringing you what you desire. High flyers, this is really about personal transformation. Remember, the result that you get in life is the results of your beliefs. So if you are wondering about what kind of results am I getting, it's not what I desire, it's not what I'm shooting for, then you need to challenge your beliefs, which is going to come into number 3. But I just want to share this for a moment. You need to understand this very truth, that each day, each of us think about 60 to 70,000 thoughts a day. And the sad part about it is that most of those thoughts we thought the day before, and the day before, and the day before, indefinitely. Now, here's the key. When you change your beliefs, right here, when you change your beliefs about anything, whatever it is you're focused on will change as well. I'm going to repeat that again. When you change your beliefs about anything, whatever you are focused on will change as well. You have the power to control your brain, or you can give up control of your brain to the world. You can give it up to the internet, to Facebook, to Instagram, to television, to advertising, to the news. You can give it up to someone else, to your parents, to your limiting beliefs, your doubts. You can give it up to your fears, or you can choose to go through a transformation, an alchemical transformation. And when people go through this transformation, they feel better, they smile all the time, and number 3, they challenge themselves. You're finding that you're challenging yourself more and more. You used to set limits about here, but now you're setting them here, and you're wondering if that's high enough. You're starting to think big. You used to think, gee, I just want to pay the rent. Now you're thinking about, I am manifesting $100,000 or $500,000 or $1 million. You're thinking large and you're thinking big. What do I have to be in order to attract what I desire? That's a question that all manifestors truly ask themselves over and over and over again. What do I have to be? It's not changing somebody else. It's changing me. What do I have to become? What do I have to learn? And that's transformation. That's alchemical transformation. As you begin to change, you're challenging yourself. Sign number 3. What do I have to be? What do I have to give? What do I have to give of myself in order to receive what I desire? Am I just in a position of wanting? You know what my feelings are about the word wanting. Okay, so think about that. Wanting is a state of lack. It's a state of need. What do I have to be? And then finally, how can I be better? How can I raise my game? How can I rise to the highest version of who I am? So a lot of times there are these questioning thoughts that are going through your mind as you're getting ready to pop a manifestation into your life. You're challenging yourself. And you might have some thoughts like, am I good enough? Am I strong enough? Am I smart enough? Am I young enough? Am I old enough? But at some point, you're going to come back to the belief that you choose. Not the belief that is imposed upon you. The belief that you choose. And you will either choose to believe you are good enough, you're smart enough, you're tall enough, you're big enough, you're strong enough, you're young enough, you're old enough. And when you do, when you accept that fully within your being, I mean, just, I accept it. You're just an inch away or two from manifesting. That's huge. That's a big sign from the universe. You're challenging yourself. Think big. Think really big, okay? Hey, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sharing it, because our goal is to help as many people empower their lives. You have a great day, because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.